So today we're going to perform an experiment using hydrogen peroxide and yeast. Those are the main ingredients that are supposed to show us another interesting chemical reaction. So for this particular experiment, we're gonna need hydrogen peroxide as a main element. And the reason is why hydrogen peroxide is stored in the dark bottle is because it breaks down into water and oxygen very quickly, and dark places allows to slow this process down. Also, we're gonna need yeast. We're gonna use the instant yeast, all right, and then you could get it in any store. We will need matches to fire. We're gonna need a jar, and in the jar my son made a hole. Thank you, Daniel. And we're gonna put ziti. I was looking through everywhere, and we have to put ziti in that little lid. So in the jar we're not gonna use this part, but we'll use just under lid, and we'll make sure it tightens very well when the solution will be inside. All right, and what else? And that's basically it. So we'll do our experiment, and then I'll explain a little bit what happens, if it happens, because I have not done this experiment before. So what we're gonna need, let's put our hydrogen peroxide in the jar. We're not gonna fill the whole thing. I think this should be enough, maybe a third part of it. All right, and I'm preparing my lid, but I don't know if you could see little bubbles, but because the hydrogen peroxide was exposed to light, you could see very tiny bubbles. Unfortunately, it's hard for me to show you, but the decomposition really starts now. But let's see what's gonna happen when I'm gonna put yeast. Right, I'm putting yeast and I'm tightening this thing, and I'm gonna shake it a little bit. Right, I'm gonna shake. I'm actually gonna close this for now. Oh, look at this. Woo. Oh. Ah! Oh God. The lid was not that tight. Ah. Well, some of the gas came out, but I hope that we'll still be able to perform it through this ziti. Let's see. If it doesn't work out, then we'll do it again. All right, and now I'm gonna burn ziti and see if the reaction works. You know what? I'm gonna do this experiment again just because I think I screwed up a little bit. All right, I'm gonna use another. Actually, I can probably use the same thing, but let me clean this thing, and I'm gonna put hydrogen peroxide again and yeast again, because I think because of the lid, you know, that didn't really work. All right, so let me try it again. I'm gonna put, okay, now we're gonna put yeast, and I'm gonna make sure it's very tight this time. Okay, all right, gotta be tight. Okay, I got some gas. Woo! Wow, I don't really, oh wow, that, so even without the fire, that reaction, well, this is what happened. So, all right, so what really happened, I'm not gonna use light again, but basically what happened is that you could observe the speed of decomposition happening when bubbles forms and when peroxide was poured in the container. When yeast is mixed with hydrogen peroxide, the yeast caused decomposition chemical reaction to happen more quickly. In our case, it happened too quickly, and I think because I put too much yeast this time, or maybe because I don't even know, but that's not exactly what we were expecting, right? Because the reaction occurs much more quickly, the amount of heat energy produced is more noticeable, as we could see. Any reaction that gives off heat is called exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction occurs in everyday life, and fire is the most common combustion. And I really want to do another experiment once again, and I want to see if that would work. Let me try one more time and see if that works. I really want that to work, and I'm not sure if it will, but we're gonna try. I'm just gonna clean, make it nice and clean, because I still have time. So I hope that I will do this experiment again, and this time it will work. Maybe I have to put another ZT, not the used one. So I'm gonna put another ZT here. There you go. And I'm not gonna put this time that much of yeast. There you go. All right. Once again, I have some yeast left. Okay. All right, and now I'm gonna mix it a little bit, create some gas. Okay, it does create gases, as you could see, and it already comes out from ZT. So let's see if I can burn it. And I'm gonna burn the ZT, not the inside. One more time. So it does burn, as we could see. But I think because the gas was coming out initially and this lid is not that stable, it does burn. You could see it does burn because of gas. Perhaps not that much but we've done 3 experiments. One of them actually worked. Let's try again if we still have some gases left. All right, yeah, it works. It does light very well. Okay. So it was a combustion and decomposition of water and oxygen, and that's what we were able to observe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.